guys, bago kabalin. This is our first visit dito po sa Bella Montana Farm. So this is located sa Bamban, Tarlac. This vlog is actually a special episode because Where in Pampanga goes out of town. And we would like to inform you guys that this video is sponsored by the Travel Club. So located po sila sa SM City Pampanga. We would like to thank them for sponsoring this video, as well as having this new normal Travelon bag, no? So this is actually parang a semi-utility travel vlog. You can actually fit your laptop. Small traveling drone can also fit in this bag. So isa pa sa mga magandang specifications nito, it's actually an anti-theft. Either you go to an urban place or very scenic nature like this, very secure yung mga gamit mo. It's anti-RFID, something like that. The material is actually really strong, no? Can withstand yung parang a razor or a knife. Let me give you a quick tour of this place. It's actually around 5:30 in the afternoon. A really nice Sunday afternoon dito po sa Bella Montana Farm. Speaking of nice afternoon, why don't we do some drone shots? Let's go! This side of the farm, overlooking natin yung majestic Arait Mountain. So this side right here is the Clark Air Base. Yan. Nandun yung airport. We also have the Expo Filipino here. Some of the hotels. So yeah, really great place for an afternoon, weekend getaway. Somewhere you can actually go with your family. So this in Bamban, Tarlac. This is goes out of town.
Inside a rainbow, yeah. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow, yeah. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow, yeah.
Right, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video, our vlog for today. If you want to know more about Bella Montana, if you want to know more about this farm, we're gonna link the details below. And we would like to thank Travelon from the Travel Club for sponsoring this video. More travel videos coming soon. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out, guys.